Sorry for that inconvenience. All right. So again, good evening. Tonight we're going to study the assets which are your USD, NCD USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. Obviously, these are majors. I include here the XAU USD, also the US dollar index. So these assets here has opportunities. Okay, that we have opportunities for we have a great opportunities for from these assets that I prepared here. So again, we include the US dollar index for intraday and scalping confirmation of XAU USD uh trading participation. All right. So I already mentioned. Okay, wait. I will include the Forex Factory calendar here so that I will discuss it again. Again, for the Forex Factory calendar, we focus on the red folder only as our confluence of trading, participating intraday and scalping for the assets that we're going to trade this whole week. Okay, again, as you can see, from Monday to Friday, we have red folders. Complete po yung Monday to Friday. We have volatility on Euro, USD, CHF. So the majors or the USD pairs will be um will have a volatility for this week, especially for the October 1, also October 1, October 2 to October 4, we have the special event of the market, the non-farm employment exchange on Friday 8:30, and unemployment rate, also the average hourly earnings, which will be on 8:30 p.m. Friday. All right, so let's go back to our price chart to discuss the assets that has great opportunities for this week and the coming weeks. Let's start with the US dollar index weekly. So weekly chart, I focus on the major time frames. As I mentioned a few minutes ago, that the monthly time frame is about to be matured, and also the new candle will start on October 1. So there will be a volatility for this week because of there are a lot of price action happenings. All right, let's start with the US dollar index weekly. So I mentioned in last forecast, if you followed us in our previous analysis, that as long as the US dollar index movement move below 102.00 and 101.50, it will go bearish and go back to 100.00. Now here, as you can see, this is from this box here, or this zone here is from the monthly candle. This confirmation of support zone is from the monthly time frame. Okay, this one, I mean this zone here, this is quite wide zone for the US dollar index weekly time frame, because this is from this zone or support zone is from the monthly time frame. Now I have here the key level 999.176, or let's say a round off this to 1950 to 1900. Now, if there is a close below, or a candle close below this number, 99.176 or 99.50, or a below 99.00, the 98 and 97.50 waiting for a touch below 99.00. Right, the US dollar, or the king dollar, will keep um going down to 98 to 97.50 if there is a move below, or a break of support 99.00. Okay, again, 99.00 is a crucial support for buyers. Now, if there is a failed to close above, or failed to print a bullish price action above 99.00, there will be a continuation of a bearish movement towards 98 and 97.50 with the US dollar index. Now, this means that we can actually will be buying the majors, also the XAU USD. So I will explain later the XAU USD intraday, and also the scalping, also intraweek participation with the yellow metal. All right, again, um, if buyers fail to hold above 99.00, 99.00, and 99.50, it will continue to melt, or to, sorry, it will continue to go bearish. Um, 98.00 to 97.50. Okay, 97.50. This is the next support, or major support, or major price below 99.00. So 97.50, we have the half here, which is the 98, the psychological level, 98.00 price, and 97.50. Now, watch for a bearish price action movement at the daily time frame down to the hourly. Now, next asset will be the Euro USD weekly time frame. So I have here the trend line, or dynamic trend line resistance. The current market price of Euro USD facing a strong resistance of 1.1250, an intersection of dynamic trend line resistance. Okay. 1.1250 is a strong key level resistance. And again, the current market price facing a strong resistance, a strong major resistance, key level resistance, and a dynamic trend line resistance. Now, if there is a break of this intersection here, 1250, and this trend line, dynamic trend line resistance, bull will continue to hike towards 15, 16 to 17. I mean 1.15, 1.15, 1.16 to 1.17. Now, if there is a move, or a close above intersection 1.1250, and a trend line resistance, bulls will continue towards 1.15 to 1.16 to 17. Now, the 1.15 is a weekly magnetic level or price ng Euro USD weekly time frame. Now, as you can see here, this is there is there was a close above 1.0850, as I mentioned in my previous analysis, that if there is a strong bull movement or a price action signal printed or bull price action signal printed above 1.0850, it will continue to hike to 1.0950, 1050, 11 to 12. Now, those numbers already done. So we'll be waiting for the market open tomorrow at 6 a.m. and then a market close above or a candle close above 1250, and this intersection trend line um intersection with the key level 1.1250. Now again, if there is a strong bullish movement or a strong breakout on this intersection, the next candle will perform, or the next movement will perform a liquidity grab, internal liquidity grab below this breakout, and then we will watch again a close above, back above this um this area here to continue buying towards 1.15 to 1.16 and 17. Now again, the 1.15 ng Euro USD is a magnetic level ng weekly time frame on this asset. Okay, so let's move to NZD USD weekly time frame. So NZD USD, this is a very exciting na asset in the coming movements. As you can see here, we have this proper breakout at 63.00, 6250 and 63. All right, so our significant level of NZD USD 63.00 and 63.50. We have the very low. We have the latest low, which is the 61.00. 61.00, and then our high is 62.99, which has breakout, so around of this level to 63.00, 0.6300. Now the price closed above 0.6300. All right, so as long as the price, as long as the bulls keep holding this area of support, it will continue to go up to 64, 65, 66 to 67. All right, so this will go up our target, the 0.66 and 67. Again, if there is a stronghold of buyers above 0.6300 and 0.6350, buyers will continue to push the price higher to 64, 65, 66 to 67. Now, this 67 is a strong resistance area because of this major trend line resistance from monthly time frame and a major key level from a magnetic level from the weekly time frame or weekly candle from the previous movement 2021. Again, NCD USD will move at least 300 to 400 pips in the coming movements. Let's move to GBP USD. So GBP USD, I use the monthly time frame. As you can see here, we have the breakout from 1.20. Okay, we have a breakout from the movement 1.20 to 50. Then we have a proper close or breakout on the monthly resistance trend line last July. Now, July, August, and September, the price moved towards her target 1.34. So if you will check the previous analysis, I mentioned that keep buying on the GBP USD and target the 1.34, which was already done, which was already done last week. Now last week the price push up and then close above 1.3150, 1.32. Close at the price of 1.3371. Now, there is a breakout at the resistance 1.3150 and 32. So we will expect a little bit pullback and continuation of bull movement towards 36 and 37. So the for 39, the 39 is a little bit high, and I think this is a fluctuation area above. This 1.3750 is already serve as a fluctuation area, the above this level. Now, I'm expecting the GBP USD will give us a little bit pullback, but the level that we're going to watch for a strong continuation to the upside will be the 1.3150 and 1.32. As long as the price close above here and keep printing bullish price signals or bullish candlestick patterns at the daily and 4-hour time frame, let's keep buying the GBP USD towards 1.34, again 1.34, 34.50, 36 to 37.50. Remember the support 1.3150 and 1.3200. This is our support zone. All right. So AUD USD, as you can see here, if the last week actually the same with the NZD USD movement, the last week movement move about close above trend line intersection, resistance intersection, key level 6850. Okay, so close above 0.6850, and the price last week closed at 6900 exactly. So we get our target since um we start following the AUD USD asset from the very low 63 0.6350. Now the price moved 500 pips from the very low participation ng kickstart in the masterclass. Now the 6950 and the 6950 and 70 are waiting for a touch. Now from here, from 6950 to 70, 6950, 0.6950 and 0.70 is our resistance zone. If there is a breakout sa 4-hour and daily time frame, now we will continue buying the AUD USD on the October movement towards 70 and 71. We still have the 0.7350 waiting here, but let's focus first on the breakout ng 6950 and 0.70 resistance. Now, if there is a close above this resistance zone, now we will continue buying towards 72 and 73.50 ng AUD USD. Now, sa monthly time frame, if we check the monthly time frame candles, we have here the triple leg. We have here the triple leg. 1, 2, and 3. Then the price back to this point of interest 60. Nakabay po kasi tayo from 63.50, and then the price back to 66.50, which is the point of interest June candle. Now if there is a close ng monthly time frame, there's a close here. Since the weekly time frame already had a close last week above this trend line resistance, now this will be more strong bullish and easy to break the 69 and 7 the 69.50 and 70.00 if there is a close of candle at the monthly time frame. The September candle will close above this intersection 68.50 and the trend line resistance ng major time frame. Again, we keep our bias, bullish bias with the AUD USD and NCD USD, and this is still swing analysis. Price target ng AUD USD 69.50, 70 resistance zone. above this will continue to go up to 70.50, 71, even 73.50. All right, for the most trending asset, XAU USD. What happened to XAU USD? Actually, XAU USD, we expect the XAU USD to continue to go up. We have sell positions, but we close it once we get profit because of this breakout. This resistance before turn now is support here. Now the price breaks the 2534. After a breakout, we have a retest here. So this is a pullback. And then now we have the point of interest at 2625. Point of interest 2625. This candle right here in the daily time frame. Now what will happen to XAUSD in the next coming movement? Now if there is a close above this key level 2685, it will continue to go up to 2750, even 2850. Okay. Next resistance from 2685, it will continue to go up to 2750. 2750, even 2850. Now, if there is a failed to close above the 2685, it will go back to 2555. Okay, the 2590, 2590 and 2555. 2590 and 2555, we have this one, which is a fair value gap area below the breakout. Haven't tested very well, but we are going to watch more bearish movement or price action up below 2685 and 27. 2685 and 27. If there is a strong fluctuation above 2685 and it will fluctuate to 27, then a strong rejection at 27, it will continue to drop towards 2555. Now, if there is a proper close above 2685, okay, if there's a proper close or breakout above 2685, time frame we're going to watch for the retest and analyzing the candles or price action will be 4 hour and 1 hour, also the daily. Now, if this happens, if there's a proper breakout here at 2685, it will continue to go up 27 and 2750, even 2850. The monthly candle is already a little bit stretched. Now, this is very awkward. The 2150 is still waiting for a touch. Okay, the 2100 and 2150 still waiting for a touch. Now we're going to observe how the monthly candle close this month and then the monthly open ng October so that we can know kung the long term or the last quarter of this year will be bearish or bullish for the XAU USD. We're also following the masterclass and also the Kickstart follow XAU USD. Following XAU USD, also the silver and XAU Euro. All right. So if you're not yet a member of the 3F Kickstart and Masterclass, you can check our website www.the3f.co, or you can message us on Facebook. We have Facebook page. Okay, we have our Facebook page. You can search or you can check or you can message us the 3F Co on Facebook. Also, you can email us at the 3F Forex Financial Freedom at gmail.com. Again, the masterclass and the Kickstart will also have daily sessions and live trading starting this week. Before I forgot, I want to congratulate all the members of the tribe and masterclass, also the kickstart of winning of more win trades last week and last month. All right. So again, for the XAUUSD, for the XAUUSD, this is more on intraday scalping approach only. Okay, so strategy that you're going to follow must follow the open and close strategy, open and close price strategy, also the breakout. For Euro USD, wait for the market open to decide the continuation to the upside towards 1250 and a breakout. Watch for the breakout on this intersection here, 1250 and this trend line resistance, dynamic trend line resistance to continue buying towards 15, 16, and 17. For NCD USD, obviously, we have a breakout of two resistances, which is the trend dynamic trend line resistance from the weekly time frame, also the key level 60 to 63 00 and 6300 key level support, resistance before turn now is support. And the candle closed above these two intersections, so it will continue to go up to 65, 66, and 67. For GBP USD, we hit our target 1.34. So price to watch to continue buying or to continue our bullish bias will be the 1.3150 as served now as a resistance before, served now as a strong support sa monthly time frame. Now the target will be 1.34, 3450, 36 to 3750. Now AUD USD, the same with the NCD USD, the weekly time frame already had a breakout, and then we'll be waiting for a close for the close this month. Even it will not close as a breakout here, I am strongly at the bullish side of this asset. All right, so if this will close above this dynamic trend line resistance, that would be a strong confirmation of breaking the 69, 69.50. It will continue to go up to the old high price, which is the 0.71. Now again, highest target is 0.73 with 0.7350 with the AUD USD. For the US dollar index, you have to watch the prices here on screen. 2525. We have the 2685, 27 and 2750. Extension will be the 2850. All right, again, if you are not yet a member of the 3F, you can check our website www.the3f.co, or you can visit our Facebook page, the 3F Co, or you can email us at the 3F Forex Financial Freedom at gmail.com. So we have daily analysis, daily sessions. Sessions will be posted on Kickstart. The schedules of the sessions and also live trading sessions will be posted on our Kickstart group. And lastly, the 3F Co use JDR Securities platform for trading. So I hope you guys can use our analysis or technical analysis as your trading materials for this week and the coming movements of the forex market assets. Thank you so much and then good evening. Happy trading week, everyone.